In this video, we are going to be looking at the new game-changing Southland 7' by 14 foot low-profile dump trailer, model number SL714-16KHD. Southland dump trailers are revolutionizing the world of dump trailers as we know it, providing a trailer that is lighter yet stronger. Southland has effectively eliminated the need for cross members under the dump bed, and the design is absolutely genius. Utilizing a heavier 3/16 inch steel floor, combined with two high-quality engineered sill frame rails, which are strategically placed to line up perfectly with the tire line of your equipment as it's loaded. Gone are the days of dips forming in your dump bed between the cross members. This SL714-16KHD comes with a paint job that is designed to last with its 4-stage paint process. First, each trailer is shot blasted, removing all of the slag from the steel. This is followed by an acid wash, then it is primed, and finally it is painted with PPG paint with a 2-way hardener. Say goodbye to powder coat paint forever. The GVWR of this trailer is 17,597 pounds. The empty weight is 3,792 pounds, giving this trailer a maximum payload capacity of 13,805 pounds. The interior dump bed measures 82 inches wide by 14 feet long and is 26 inches deep. The total length of the trailer, including the tongue, is 19 feet, and the width from fender to fender measures in at 102 inches. This SL714-16KHD comes with a 2 5/16 inch adjustable coupler and a heavy-duty hydraulic jack. It is a power-up, power-down unit with a 9-ton scissor lift and with Equa-Flex cushion equalizers for smooth and safe transportation of your cargo. It comes with two heavy-duty 7,000-pound axles, each one rated for 7,998 pounds, and a 2-way combo gate. The gate can be unlatched from the bottom, allowing it to be used as a spreader, or it can be opened from the center like barn doors. A set of stabilizer jacks slide down from the back corners to keep the trailer from tipping while you're loading your heavier equipment. This unit comes standard with a spare tire mount with a spare tire, a set of aluminum slide-out ramps, a tarp kit, an onboard battery charger, and 4 heavy-duty side mount D-rings. The aluminum toolbox also comes equipped with its own L.E.D work light and an electronic valve, allowing you to switch from the jack to the hoist. Some other popular options for this trailer include an aluminum wheel upgrade and a wireless remote. To reserve this trailer, view all of our live inventory, or apply for financing, visit our website at www.breckvilletrailers.com. Or to speak with the trailer specialist, pick up the phone and give us a call at 717-262-6383. Whether you are coming from Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Carlisle, Hershey, York, or Lancaster, PA, or maybe Cumberland, Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, DC, Richmond, Virginia, or Martinsburg, West Virginia, we are within a short 2-hour drive away. We are 3 miles west off Interstate 81 in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, right off exit number 16. As always, we look forward to providing you with a seamless trailer experience.